Embedded systems programming is the process of writing programs to control the microcontrollers or microprocessors that are embedded within computing devices used to perform specific tasks. Computing devices that have embedded systems include smartphones, televisions, smartwatches, and home appliances such as microwave ovens and washing machines. By using the principles of embedded system programming, it is possible to create products that meet the specific needs of a user. The creator of a product first ideates the product and lists the requirements, including all the input the product should receive and the output it should generate. All the hardware components, such as the input and output devices required to execute the product requirements, are connected in a circuit with the microcontroller, which is the brain of the embedded system. The required function of the product is programmed using a programming language and downloaded into the memory of the microcontroller. A program is a set of instructions written for the microcontroller to execute. The microcontroller reads the input signals from the input devices and operates the output devices based on the program. For example, a microwave oven contains hardware components such as the buttons as input devices to receive time and other inputs from the user, a magnetron, which is a vacuum tube that generates microwaves to perform the heating process, and a buzzer as an output device to let the user know that the heating is complete. The buttons, magnetron, and buzzer are coordinated using the microcontroller, as it controls the entire process from start to finish based on the program. To develop a product that is efficient and reliable, a solid understanding of both hardware and software is required.